Hey everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with 3 brand new project kits for you today. These are all live on my website right now. So let's take a look at the projects themselves. We are going to start with Carta Secret Garden. So for this one, I have done an envelope style folio. This one measures 9 by 7. The kit does come with all of the paper, cardstock, and chipboard and the flowers. To do this project exactly as shown, you will get a written cutting guide and links to detailed project pictures and of course the tutorial, which will be going up on YouTube here in the next couple of days. So if you've ordered the kit, you'll get the link to the tutorial if you happen to get this in the mail prior to it going live on my YouTube channel, but it will be going up on the YouTube channel here in the next few days. So we've got a beautiful pink ribbon that I apparently kind of pulled out of shape right there that I've got running under one of the cut-aparts. I've got stickers that I've matted, and then we've got, of course, these beautiful Prima flowers because it needed them. On the top here, I've got a couple more of the stickers that I've matted and fussy cut around one of the cut-aparts. And this opens up like so. So let's take a look at the top first. So we've got a window pocket up here stacked on top of an notched pocket. This is from the sticker sheet, or the sticker, you're getting, and this is weird, you're getting half of a sticker book because when I went to order this, they were almost out of the sticker books. So because the sticker books are a little bit on the pricey side and there's 2 of each sheet, I did decide to split those. Other than that, you have the entire 12 by 12 paper collection along with the matching solids for this kit. So really, it's fine. So we've got border sticker and a matted sticker there. This opens up and we've got a nice big photo spot. You do also get the white photo mat paper in your kit as well. So we've got that big cut apart there. We've got another pocket down here with a 4x6 waterfall on top. So you, again, like I said, you're getting the stickers, you're getting the white matting paper, your paper collection, and your cardstock and chipboard to build this entire project. Nothing is pre-cut. You will have extra. So like I've said before, I am building the kits that I would like to buy. So everything is included, magnets, ribbon, everything. The only thing you need are basic tools and adhesive. All right, so down here, I did actually leave this loose to tuck things behind. There's like a whole bunch of photo mats tucked in here somewhere. They're not like scattered throughout. So down here we've got a nice, this is gonna fall if I grab it, nice big belly band down here. We've got a pocket flap so you can tuck lots of things in here and then that flips down. We've got a big box pocket flap here with a magnetic closure. Open this up. We've got 2 more window pockets. You do have the acetate, of course, in your kit as well. Those open up, and there's where I tucked all of my photo mats, apparently. And then we've got stacked pockets on the back here with any leftover cut-aparts. Some solids that I had left that I cut into 5x7 photo mats, and I did just tuck all of those in one spot back there just to make it easier to flip through the project. So that all closes up like so, and like that again, and then ties. So that is the first project. Next up we have an album using Firefly from Echo Park. For this one, I did use the 6x6 mega pad. You will use the entire thing. For this kit, you are getting the 6x6 mega pad, you are getting 12x12 solids, the 12x12 sticker sheet that would come in the 12x12 kit, and you're getting chipboards. And this is a chunky album. This has 6 pages. It has a 3-inch spine, and this one is So much fun to do. So you're getting your ribbon, you're getting magnets, you're getting chipboards, you're getting absolutely everything needed to complete the album. So you open this up, we've got an accordion pocket here on the front inside cover. The pages on this do not repeat. You have different page designs for all 6 pages. The only repeats are your front and back inside cover that both have the accordion pocket. So when you open up the first page here, we've got flaps and a belly band, and then this all ties shut with this pretty gray ribbon that looked really nice with this. Oh, if I could tie a bow. It looked really nice with this paper collection, even though this does have more of a navy tone to it. This gray just worked really well with it. Back here we've got a pocket with a flap. This one, because I've got the chipboards on top, doesn't have a magnet or anything. It's heavy enough to close as is. Here we've got an insert, and we've got a little pull out for, I believe this is 3.5 by 3.5 on this one, and that tucks in there to keep that closed. Back here we've got a flap and then 2 big photo spots. Over here we've got our first magnet, so this little guy comes off, and then you've got little 3x3 flaps that open up to reveal a nice big spot for a picture there, and that holds it closed. Back here we've got a pocket with a 3x4 waterfall on top with a magnetic closure. Here we've got some graduate or stacked flaps, so you've got plenty of space here for pictures, and these are heavy enough on their own to stay closed. Back here we've got another big pull out. So this comes out all the way like this and all the way like that, just for lots of picture space. This paper honestly would make a really cute kind of gender neutral like baby book. Honestly, it was what I was kind of envisioning with this, because it is just a really fun one. This opens up like so, and there is a magnet in here, and then we've got a belly band underneath there. On the back side here we've got angled pockets with angled flaps that mirror each other. So these are pockets, and then these just close down over the top. Because of the chipboards, they do hold those down just fine. And then on the back we have got another fold out over here and a flap, and this all ties shut with some more ribbon. Again, I am not good at bows. I'll just be perfectly honest with you. And then this has, of course, our nice big accordion pocket back there. So that is the Firefly album. And last but certainly not least, I have done my very first shaped album kit with my backpack mini album with the Carta National Parks collection. This one is super fun. It's got 4 sheets that are like these postcard style cut aparts that actually have like the postcard information on the back for a bunch of different national parks. So for this project, I've got an accordion pocket on the front cover here that I cannot get untied, that I did have all of these tucked into the various pockets because this one does expand out quite a bit. For this one, you are getting laser cut chipboard covers and the solid cardstock to mat the chipboard covers, so everything will go together perfectly. I've got the stickers on the front here. When you open it up, we've got a nice big flip out here. With this kit, you are getting the 12x12 collection kit, the 12x12 coordinating solids. You are getting the 6x6 pad, and you are getting an ephemera pack. The ephemera pack I didn't use a ton of throughout the book because the ephemera pieces are, about half of them are specific to the different parks. So I kind of left those to the side for you to add when you add your pictures. This one flips up and then out. So you've got lots of space there. We've got inserts in each of these that are just made from the matching solids in each of those pages. You will have a decent amount of this one left. I did use the entire 6x6, but you'll have, depending on how you mat, if you mat exactly like me, you're going to have pretty much all of your solids left to do photo mats and inserts. If you wanted to change it up, you'd have a fair amount of your pattern paper left. So we've got a nice big waterfall there, this little insert that pops out here, and we've got the postcards from the 6x6 pad. So they are 3x4 and then 2x3 that are on the 6x6 pad, and I did use those for matting in places. I've got another pocket here. This flap opens up like so. This opens up here. And again, lots and lots of space for pictures for all the different parks. And this goes up and down and then up and down like so. And there is a magnet there, so you of course will get all of your magnets and your twine with this kit as well, like always. These flaps are on a belly band here, so lots more space. This is just a nice big flip with a pocket behind, and then we've got stacked pockets on the back inside cover here. Oh no, don't do that. So and then the back side, we've got of course our little backpack straps with another insert booklet underneath that as well. So those are the 3 new project kits that are live in my shop as we speak. So go grab those. The tutorials for these will be going live over the next week or so. If you buy the kit, of course, you're getting the link to the tutorial ahead of time. So you can go ahead and start on your project. But as always, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my small business. And I'll see you guys again soon with some more kits.